my Ryobi. Yeah, I know a lot of people, they probably aren't fans of Ryobi tools. These are kind of old. This is an old impact driver. This is my old Ryobi impact driver and things, but I mean, it works well. This is one of the brand new chargers for one of the brand new lithium batteries. Well, this one's not even new, but when you push the button, you see how that everything lights up? Oh, this one's almost dead. Let's find one that's not dead. Here, this one here. I'll double check it before I come back over there. This one's got a little bit more life to it. But if I push the button, you got the light up. Boy, I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can or not. It tells you how much life you have left in your battery. Now, the old Ryobi batteries, they don't have any of that. This isn't even a lithium battery. But I can throw this right into a brand. Now, this is a really, really old tool. This is a really old battery. I can snap that right into the new charger and it should charge. I mean, I had no problems charging these things. And then, not only that, but this is an old Ryobi, really, really old, that goes with this battery. Very, very old. And what's really nice about it is I can take these brand new lithium batteries, click it right in there, and it works. That's what I loved about Ryobi, is when they were improving their stuff, improving their screw guns. And here's a screw gun, and brand new, it'll take an old battery, a new battery. So as they kept improving their tools and improving their batteries, they left them universal. So I can take a Ryobi drill and a Ryobi battery that's, you know, from the beginning when they started making them, and it will work on the batteries that I have today. That's why I stuck with them. Everybody else is, they come out with a new tool, you got to buy new batteries, new chargers, new everything. With Ryobi, they try to keep them the same. Now they got the 40 volts, of course, it won't work on any of these tools. Those great big 40 volt batteries, which I think are awesome. They're good for weed eaters. They actually make them for table saws, lawn mowers, things like that. But I like it. I like these tools, I really do. And I know some people aren't fans. I have a lot of these tools because this guy wasn't a fan of them, and he gave me all of his Ryobi tools because I am a Ryobi fan. And if you have any questions, any comments, you can either comment on my YouTube channel, or I have an email address. It's called the drywallphd@gmail.com. You will find it in the descriptions on my channel at the bottom, along with my Facebook page and my Instagram page. I'm there on the descriptions at the bottom. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.